elevate. What is the advantage of elevate? Why we need elevation? Depth of which? See, the nerves run below ganglia. Okay. So you are doing tumescence below the ganglia. So ganglia is elevated. See, if your skull thickness is how 4 or 5 millimeter, and you are making hole of 6 millimeter. So if it is not tumesced, you damage the nerves below ganglia. So major nerves are saved when you elevate. Okay. Marking up there. So it's easy. Hemostasis is done. Yes, traction effect is also then if it is very tight tumescence, but this is not tight tumescence. Now I'll be changing my direction from here. I'm slowly moving. Okay. Need not to be parallel here. But yes, you can reduce the. The last advantage of tumescence is my clothes is so colored. If it is like this and you have made this much, once it contracts, this hole is contracting. So now you have made 0.5 millimeter with made 0.3. So your density will increase once the edema reduces. Understood? Good. Thank you. So now can I be faster? So everything is just repetition. Now will be here 1 inch. You have to be here. The direction is this way only. Though it can be like this, but you don't do like this. From here you do like this so that your hair will cover each other. If you do like this and like this, so no hair will cover. Once your transplanted hair will cover each other, then only your transplant will look good. So all hair should go follow like this. So for that